What do you got?
Little peanut butter and jelly banana crepes for the child.
So you can see I have my clothing rack popped up behind me. I'm about to put away a bunch of laundry, but honestly, you guys, I need to go through and kind of clean out my closet. I've been doing so many hauls lately and bringing in so many new pieces into my wardrobe that it's time to do a little mini closet clean out. And you guys know that I love selling clothes on Poshmark. So thank you to Poshmark for sponsoring this portion of today's video. I have been on Poshmark for 4 years, you guys, since 2018. It's pretty crazy. I've sold a bunch of different things to you guys and to other people as well. It's such an easy way to sell clothes and also to buy clothes. They've got a ton of luxury brands on there now. You can get home stuff, beauty stuff. It's pretty crazy all the things that you can get there. I love how quick and easy it is to ship things out if you're not like me and mess up an order. But for the most part, their customer service is amazing and they do all of the logistics and the hard work. You just literally print out the label, slap it on the box and send it off, and you're able to give your clothes a new life. And I think that's what's so awesome. I donate a lot of my clothes, but I also love to give my clothes some new life that are barely used. So you can find all different kinds of brands on there. My favorite brands to post on there are just brands that I already love. So Abercrombie, you know, Hollister, H&M, things like that. But you can get a bunch of different brands for up to 70% off retail value. If you do buy anything from my closet, let me know by sharing it on my Instagram. I always have my Instagram linked down below. I need to be better about being more active on it, but you can share it with me. I love to see how you guys will style the pieces that I'm no longer using in my wardrobe. So I will have all of my closet information linked down below. If you haven't already downloaded the app is awesome. It like alerts you if somebody drops price or comments back on your post or whatever the case may be. I love the app. I have it personally for myself. I have it under my shopping tab and I absolutely love it. So if you have not downloaded the Poshmark app, go ahead and do it. I will have links for it down below. And yeah, let me show you guys what I'm posting up on my closet. All right, so we've got some graphic tees, mostly because I just have some new ones in my collection, but these are still really good condition, and I only post good condition stuff on my Poshmark. So we have a Pink Floyd one, we have the Who, these are from Abercrombie. We have another Who in white. I have some flannels that I just either have different colors or I'm not wearing. So this one's from Hollister. This one's from Abercrombie, American Eagle, and then 2 sweaters. So I try to post in-season stuff so that people, you know, are currently wearing this stuff and whatnot. So I'm gonna go ahead and post these pictures and upload them to the app. And so if you're interested in anything you see or anything else, I'm also gonna put some shoes, at least one pair of shoes up on my site, so, or up on my app. So go ahead and follow the links down below. For a walk while Arla's taking a nap. It's 50 degrees, pretty chilly, but the sun's out, so that was really good. Happy Saturday. What? What? Coloring? What color are you using?
Yellow?
Nope, it's blue. Are you coloring Big Bird?
Mom? What?
Your poor cheekies look so rough, kid. Whoa, you're going to town with this blue. Next page.
Yeah.
Who's that?
Abby.
Is it Abby? Do you have a crush on Abby?
Oh, Abby.
Who's this down here?
Elmo.
Is that Elmo? Is Elmo your favorite?
Elmo. Look. B.
Oh, are you showing pink?
No, but
That's blue? I love to color. Are you eating a chippy? Yeah. Say yum.
no.
Nom. What are you making? What are you making? What are you making? Oh, now I have to be nice to you.
I told you, I'm making food.
What are you making?
Spaghetti squash, roasted tomatoes, some basil, some chicken thighs.
What's popping over there? What's popping?
I don't know. I'm just trying to thaw this chicken out.
Oh. And Arlo and I are watching Jack and Jill. Is it good? Some good chippies? Good chippy 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 pop. Where's Arlo? Is it broke? Nope, there's Arlo. Chippy 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 pop. Get your tiny little grubby fingers out of there. Oh no, what? No, yeah, football's muted because Daddy's gonna tell us what we're eating. What is this, Scott? It's chicken thighs, some basil, lots of
Spaghetti
cheese,
squash,
spaghetti
oven
squash.
roasted tomatoes,
Where are
onions,
those?
sun-dried tomatoes.
Inside?
All that's kind of together in a little nest underneath, topped with, and there's some Parmesan cheese in there and basil.
And
Topped
mozzarella
with
cheese?
mozzarella, baked again, and chicken thigh on top.
Nice. What's the problem, bud?
What's hot?
You ready to watch football? Football's back on. Woo-hoo-hoo. Hello, you guys. Happy Sunday. I am freezing. I'm going to pick up a Target order that I placed. Arlo's pants, like, magically, he grew out of them in like 2 weeks. Not his waist. His waist for 12 months honestly is perfect. 18 months is big, but his 18-month pants are like floods on him. So I'm going to I placed an order for, I just get his like things at his pants at Target because they're super easy and convenient and cheap. So is this lady backing up or nah? Lady behind me. So I'm running to grab those now so that he has pants that fit him, because it's like not cute when his ankles are hanging out and it's cold out, you know? So I'm gonna go and grab him those pants that I placed the order for 2T, and hopefully he's not like swimming in them. But anyways, yeah, we've just had a really slow morning. I made breakfast for everybody. My glasses, oh, I think my glasses are upstairs. It's fine. Oh, big bump. Oh, big bump. Oh, big bump. Okay. And then today, I mean, it's almost 11:30 now. Arlo's gonna go down for a nap, and I'm just gonna go clean up the house and get everything ready to go for the week ahead. We have dinner plans for Scott's dad's, or for Scott and then Scott's stepdad's birthday tonight. We're gonna go over to Clyde Warren Park, which they have a little Mi Cocina there that they just put in not too long ago, and have Arlo like run around a little bit, get some energy out, and have dinner and celebrate them. So that's the plan for today. Pretty chill Sunday. You guys had asked to see more like weekends in my life, and honestly I don't, sometimes they're like filled with a lot of stuff and I like to just be in the moment, and other times, like most of the time, I just want to be in the moment, to be honest with you, because I don't see Arlo day to day all the time. And even though Scott works from home, we see each other all day, we don't like actually like see each other. So yeah, we just like to kind of be in the moment. But I figured I would film a little weekend in the life and let you guys in on our very slow weekends, because that's typically what we have. Every weekend obviously is completely different, but having a Alani new can rolling around. But let's run to Target. Oh, there's a dog in the back seat, and get this order. I don't think there was anything. Oh, I ordered Swiffer, like that wet jet fluid thing. So I'll show you everything once I get it and get back home to Arlo and Scott. Hope you have our words. Hope y'all are having a beautiful Sunday. It's 58 degrees and sunny out, so I'm happy about that. We were just like talking about how we're excited for daylight savings time to like switch, and honestly I thought that it happened much later, but it's in like March, so beginning of March, mid-March, whatever. So we just have like 1 month left, 1 month to make it through February, which is the coldest, darkest.
Oh my. Wow. Oh my gosh, backflip. Like 50-foot drop.
Whoa, Arlo.
Whoa!
Did he just throw his bike?
Wow.
Alright.
Let's fast forward to the best one.
More bikes.
Okay.
Arlo, are you not as excited about the clothes that I got you?
It doesn't appear to be.
Clearly not. I want to see the grossest thing in the entire world. Found some toys. That's disgusting. It's like living with a kid and a dog. Gross. Hey guys, I have been vacuuming and cleaning. Scott did a deep clean of the kitchen. Even though the counter's still got things on it, I'm gonna take care of that. But it's very rare when Scott gets into a deep cleaning mode, so I just fully support and let him channel and just do his thing. So that happened with the kitchen. So I'm gonna do the living room area, but my battery died on my Dyson. Okay, so first things first, I think I need a new battery for the Dyson. You can buy replacement batteries. But I'm like, do I need a robot vacuum? Do y'all have robot vacuums? Are they good? What brand do you use? I just feel like we have a lot of things, so I just like don't know. I've never had one. I feel like I could get it if it's terrible, I could return it. But what brands are you liking? Things like that. Has it changed the game? We just have so much dog hair. It's just nasty, so yeah. Anyways, vacuuming, but my vacuum died, so it's charging. Love that for me. So I'm gonna do some laundry. Arlo's upstairs napping, Scott went to the gym, and I'm gonna watch a little bit of 90 Day Fiance, because I have Discovery Plus, so you can watch it early. And then I'm gonna fold some laundry and get some things cleaned up, probably dust and stuff. I'm a vacuum before dust. Are you a dust before vacuum? Vacuum before dust? I feel like vacuuming kicks dust up and it falls, but I also feel like that dusting can kick dust onto the ground, but less because I use like one of those little Swiffery guys. Anyhow, let's do some things. Oh, I'm feeling like I wish I got an energy drink, but I probably just need more water, to be honest with you. So yeah, Sunday reset, Sunday refresh, doing some laundry, chilling out until we have dinner plans. How is it 1 o'clock already? Oh my gosh, I gotta get to going. Arlo's still in his pajamas because that's just what happened. But we are having a snacky lunch, huh? We have not been very good at eating lately, have we? Huh? We haven't had a very big appetite lately? That's okay. What are you having for lunch? Do you want to share? Are you having turkey? Cheese stick? Oh, thank you for the bite. Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. Okay. Turkey, cheese stick, corn, and a little bit of popcorn because, I don't know, just trying to get this kid to eat anything. Yep. That piece is for Winnie. And there she goes. She's on it. Did you wake up happy from your nap?
Yes.
Yes?
I did.
Okay, good. Alright, eat up. If he eats more, I'll try to get him some more veggies in his life, but he's trying to eat popcorn with a fork. Oh. Oh, you're such a good sharer. But I got everything cleaned up, except I'm still waiting to finish the rest of my floor. We keep all of our toys in these little bins, which they're not organized, but it's part of the credenza. I clean them out to do that. And then all of our kitchen stuff is in here. And then he obviously has more toys upstairs, but let's be real, he plays with golf the most, so that's that. The kitchen is clean. The floors just need to be cleaned over there, but the vacuum is still dead. So waiting to do that. Scott's out grabbing a card. And yeah, that's where we're at. Time to make some juice. So I just do a quick rinse of all my veggies. The sink is already cleaned out. So just throw my cucumbers and my celery in there and let them chill in a little bit of an ice bath for a little while and clean them up, and then I get to juicing. What's up, buddy? Are you done? You can bring it to me if you're all done. I'm also gonna throw some apples in there. Are you all done? What you doing? You wanna help Mama juice? Oh, thank you for the pin. Do you wanna help me juice in just a minute? Scott's home. Dada's home, Arlo. Oh, you got your water? You gonna drink some juice with him when we make fresh juice? All right, let's go get your stool. Can you grab your stool for Mama? Your kitchen helper? So prep. It's all done. Let's begin juicing. This little man, his kitchen helper. Good job, bub. All right, ready to juice? Oh, Dada's home. You ready to juice? Yeah, me too. All right, let's bring this a little bit closer. Nope, just leave it there. Oh, look, it's Dada.
This is cool. You know, Dean Madison, I'll have one of these. One of those.
I know. Everybody has one. They're very popular, is what I'm getting at. Good job, buddy. You want to do an apple?
Smart.
Can you put an apple in there? Oh, you're gonna eat the apple? That works.
Yum.
Is that pretty cool? Good job. Is it crunching it up? Can I help? Good job. Yeah, this is the pulp. 5 seconds later.
And edit your message after it's sent.
Hello. Are you eating seaweed? We're getting ready to leave soon, huh? Watching some football? And thank you again to Poshmark for sponsoring today's video.